Good afternoon. It's now 56 degrees here in Grapevine on January 20th, and the snowman has collapsed. We've had a major warming today. I think it's even warmer than they predicted. They were talking initially maybe 45, 46, but we're at a balmy 56 degrees right now. And I'm out here with Fiona and George. What's the matter, George? All the snow is gone, isn't it? There's not much left. It's all gone, huh? All melted. Huh? Well, let's keep on doing our walk, okay? I know, Fiona, snow's all gone. It's amazing how rapidly it all disappears. There's very little of it left, except in the shadows is where the sun is already gone. So, that is it for the winter snowstorm. And on to the next winter event or spring event. Who knows what will be. But we are rapidly getting close to March and April when our spring season starts. I went to Walmart today to do a little grocery shopping and was quite surprised to find that about, I would say 50% of the shelves were empty. There was a lot of items missing. You could not find any lunch meat, hot dogs, cheese, dairy products. Pizza is all gone, as well as a lot of meats and some basic staples also missing. It's going to take a while probably for that all to resupply. What's up, Fiona? What do you hear? Someone's making a noise you don't like? Well, so it ends. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon now, and we're just taking our afternoon stroll. There's just very little snow, but you do have to watch your step on what's left because with the sun down, it's still a little slippery. So we're just gonna be a little cautious on our walk, and should be back inside soon, but it's going to be a nice, very pleasant week, and we're looking forward to that after the week we've been through. It's been an enjoyable snowstorm, but it's also been very tragic for many people. We were fortunate that we did not lose power, we did not lose water, and we're doing okay compared to a lot of people who did not fare so well. Anyway, we're going to finish our walk and head inside. These two are probably going to get their dinner in a little while, and we're going to probably come out here one more time this evening. And for me, it's a much pleasant walk now than a few days ago where it was below 10 degrees and with the wind chill making it feel even much colder. So, from Grapevine, have a pleasant evening.